We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can a credit repair company remove a repo? If you've recently had a vehicle repossessed, you may be wondering if a credit repair company can help you remove the repo from your credit report. The answer is yes, but it's important to understand the process and the limitations of credit repair companies. When a vehicle is repossessed, the lender will report the repossession to the credit bureaus. This will have a negative impact on your credit score. A credit repair company can help you dispute the repossession and have it removed from your credit report. However, it's important to understand that the credit repair company can only dispute the repossession. They cannot actually remove the repossession from your credit report. The credit bureaus will still have the repossession on file, but it will not be reported to lenders. In addition, a credit repair company cannot guarantee that the repossession will be removed from your credit report. The credit bureaus may still decide to keep the repossession on your credit report, even after the dispute is led. It's also important to note that a credit repair company cannot help you get the repossessed vehicle back. If you want to get the vehicle back, you will need to contact the lender directly. Overall, a credit repair company can help you dispute a repossession and potentially have it removed from your credit report. However, it's important to understand the limitations of credit repair companies and the process involved. Repossessions are like exorcisms, the objects of one are cast out by the unwanted. Mark Z. Danielewski. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.